There's Angie. Oh yeah, she's grown quite a bit. She's already standing and she's very demanding when she wants to eat. As soon as I uncover her, she just opens that mouth. Look at that. Yeah, there she is. I just fed her too, so okay. Okay, one more because I'm filming and you're filming. And what is that? It's a mush of dry cat food and water put together because it has all the nutrients they need. And but look at her. She's getting ready to fly away. Let me take her out so you can see how big she is now. No, I'm not going to feed you.
She doesn't,
ow!
She doesn't bite you?
No.
She wants to fly.
She's getting ready to fly. She's getting curious. I took her outside yesterday, my patio. Of course, she was so curious about the outside, but she didn't fly. She might get ready to poop, so let me get ready. She likes to poop a lot.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that. Look at that. Remember how she looked like E.T., an alien? And look at her now. It's only been, what? 1, 2, not even 3 weeks. It's unbelievable how quiet she is. This is a rarity. But let's go ahead and put her, let's see. Let's see if she'll fly. Let's put her here. Let me stay here. Let go of my finger. Let go of my finger. Oops, I knew she was going to poop. Let go, let go. Ow, her claws are... Whee! She didn't fly, but now she's going to go under my desk. I know. No, you're not going to go there. Here, try here. Try here. Are you caught? Oh, yeah, you're caught on your own. Oh, woo! Where are you going? Where are you going? Huh? Who's going to feed you now? What's going to happen? You have to learn. I'm trying to help her take care of herself. She still is manually being fed. And, oh, there's my coworker who's in disbelief.
¿Qué harías tú si ese pájaro te responde?
Huh?
¿Qué harías tú si ese pájaro